Hello and welcome to Bill Jacobs BMW. My name is Hannah and today we're going to discuss how to pre-order your BMW from the factory. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for future content like this. Did you know that in Europe, most buyers pre-order their BMWs directly from the factory? Here in the United States, the process to pre-order your BMW takes just a little bit of time and patience, but most importantly, a reliable dealership like Bill Jacobs BMW, who can guide you through the process from the very beginning to the time that your BMW arrives to take delivery. Ordering a new car from the factory is becoming more and more popular among new car buyers, especially considering everything going on with the current supply chain issues. When you order your car custom from the factory, you get to decide everything that you want, from colors to options and all the configurations in between. So how easy is pre-ordering your new BMW from the factory? With only 3 easy steps, you can get the process started today. Step 1 in ordering a new BMW from the factory is to choose which BMW to order. BMW USA has a nice build your own feature where you can spec out your new BMW with the exact colors and options you're looking for. Step 2 is to pre-order your BMW at a BMW dealership. We recommend Bill Jacobs BMW in Naperville. Step 3, your new BMW arrives at the dealership. After your BMW arrives, you will complete the necessary paperwork and drive home in your ultimate driving machine. And there you have it, 3 simple and easy steps to pre-ordering your next BMW from the factory. If you're interested in ordering a new BMW, please remember to visit Bill Jacobs BMW to get the process started. Thank you for watching, and remember, at Bill Jacobs BMW, the cars bring you in, the experience brings you back.